one thing that is interesting to note here also are sunflakes. If you look far away, you see several leaves, or many leaves, which are receiving sunlight. And sometimes they receive sunlight for a few minutes a day. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, some for just a couple of minutes a day, some for hours. And then the machinery, the physiological machinery of these leaves is designed in a way to take advantage of these couple of minutes of sunlight and do their daily meal of energy and poof, produce, and that's it. And some of them have a very harsh life because as if they were starving for light. And not all species can survive, just some which we call understory species. And cupuaçu is one of those understory species. So when you plant them together, you have to plant them with trees that provide a shade, because if you plant a monoculture of cupuaçu or cacao or black pepper from Asia, they have all kinds of physiological problems.